Hello everyone, Namaskar, Raj Krishna this side, and welcome back to this series where we are learning integration from basics. So, we have another problem in front of us, cos2x divided by sin square x cos square x. If you can remember, we have done a similar problem where in numerator instead of cos2x we had 1, but this time we have cos2x. There we replaced 1 by cos square x plus sin square x. What to do here? So similar thing we'll do. Cos2x result, I think you know the cos2x result. We have multiple formulas, but if I say cos2x is basically equal to cos square x minus sin square x. In this formula only, if you want to write it purely in terms of cos, replace this sign by the identity 1 sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1. And if you want it purely in terms of sine, then replace cos in terms of sine. So that you can do. So because the formulas which you will get after writing it purely in terms of sine and cos are this will be equal to this formula only. So let's use this only in place of cos 2x. So in integration, always first simplify and then try to solve, because we don't know a direct formula for this, so we'll have to simplify anyway. So writing this as cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. Now we can separate this. So we'll get cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin square x cos squared x. So this gets cancelled, you are left with 1 by sin square x, which is nothing but cos²x, and you are getting sec²x. Integral of cos²x is nothing but minus of cot x, and that of sec²x is tan x plus a constant c. That's how simple it was. If you are thinking anyway that if I would have used this formula 1 minus 2 sin square x or 2 cos square x minus 1, had my result been different? No. As I told, let me show you how you would have done. So in place of cos 2x, you would have written 1 minus 2 sin square x, let's say. Sin square x cos square x. So you'll get 1 divided by sin square x cos square x minus 2 out sin square x divided by sin square x cos square x. I am writing that as s square d square c square because space is not there. Now this sin square x will get cancelled. This we have already solved, but not to remember the result, again we can solve replacing 1 by sin square x plus cos square x. I'm roughly solving it because you already can solve it, not basic stuff. one way I have already shown you. Now this is sine square x. 1 upon cos square x is secant square x. Sine square will get cancelled when you will separate. So you will get 1 by cos square x dx plus 1 by sine square x dx, and integral of secant square x will be tan x. Here 1 by cos square x will be secant square x. Here it will be cosecant square x. Here it will be minus 2 tan x. I will write the constant c in the last. Integral of secant square x will give you tan x. Here you will get minus of cot x. From here you will get minus 2 tan x plus a constant c. There you see tan x minus 2 tan x is giving you minus of tan x and minus of cot x and plus c. The same answer you are getting from this method also. So as you wish, this method looks a bit lengthy, so I avoided it. But I told you the solution for that also. But this looks a bit better to me, the first one which I did. So that's it from my side. Thanks and have a nice day. You can watch the playlist. Playlist name is Integration 2023.